Are you having trouble finding a first home in your price range? Here's why condos might be a good choice for you. First, because they're usually smaller, condos are often more affordable than single-family homes, and that can really help if you're on a budget. They're also less maintenance, so you won't have to worry about mowing the lawn or fixing the roof. Buying a condo also means you have a chance to start building equity. So, as you pay your mortgage and condo value goes up, you're increasing your net worth. And on top of all of that, they often have added amenities like a pool or a dog park. So, if this sounds good to you, let's talk and let's explore the world of condos.